Welcome to Krakow Airport Departures. So in this video I will give you a brief tour of what Krakow Departures is actually like. If you come to visit Krakow as a city break or holiday of some description and you want to know what's waiting for you back at the airport, then this video is for you. So stay tuned and I'll show you around. The cost of the taxi transfer from Krakow Old Town to John Paul II Airport was £30 plus a tip for the driver. As you can see, there's plenty of outdoor seating to eat and drink before you go through security, should you have time to spare before you catch your flight. Taxi pick up and drop off is literally where that bus is, right along this area, multi-storey car park. At the end, pre-booked taxis will be all along this area here. And the main departure entrance is literally under that bridge. As you come through, as you can see on the sign. Let's see if we can get some taxi prices over there for you. Gives you an indication of the prices, distances. If you've not booked a taxi and want to get into the city centre. I've got no checked luggage, mine's hand luggage only, so I've got no checking to do. Souvenir shop. So if you've booked assistance when you come into Krakow Airport, where that eye for information is just in front of us there should be a lady who said to me, a black telephone. You pick up the telephone, tell the people that you've booked assistance, and they will get that sorted out for you straight away. So you've got inside and outside seating for refreshments before you fly. Usual bureau de change. And the information desk is in the middle before you go through security. As you come through the main entrance, just keep walking in front, and that is where all your check-in gates are if you have got checked luggage. 45 check-in desks, which is obviously 20 to 45. And then once you've checked in, there's escalator here and over there, which takes you up to security and through to duty-free, which I'll show you shortly. So opposite the gates, you can also find a vending machine lunchbox. Selling various items. Lunch. Interestingly, there's dog therapy. Self-service prints are also by the information desk where you can print boarding passes, etc. Make our way up for security. So I'm going to go through security now, so I am not going to be filming. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so through security, which was hassle-free, you're met by the duty-free. I won't go into the duty-free as such, but it's much of a muchness on all airports. Cigarettes, drinks, perfumes, all the well-known brands are presented, as you can see. But as I say, I'm not going through properly, just a brief walk through so you can see what's here. Smallish area, but everything seems to be covered. There are plenty of boards, destinations, etc. So I don't think there's much chance of you missing your flight. There does seem to be a fair few bits and places where you can actually sit and chill out and eat and drink. Drugstore on the left hand side, and the usual sort of WH Smith type building. Books, magazines, snacks is in that area. Seems you're all stopped. Got a restaurant here. I'll show you what that's the Sky Lounge. That's the menu. Prices. Plenty of seating in there. So coming through to this side, you've got a bakery store with bagels, etc. Business lounge, gates 1 to 5. You've got business lounge access. It's quite an extensive airport when you go through. So that's a Polish restaurant there, maybe. Fresh local cuisine. Let's have a look at the menu there. There's plenty of choices for food and drink. Wine bar. Victoria's Secret and Calvin Klein. Local souvenir shop. Another coffee shop there, similar to the one we've just seen. Does seem to be quite efficient the way this airport operates though. So again, back up to the main area. Another snack shop there. Definitely won't go hungry at this airport. There's a restaurant here. Let's take you in and see if I can show you the menu. Sweets, pizza, pasta. Nice place to sit, overlooking the runway. A bit busy in the kitchen. I'm really impressed with this airport. It's got the most snack and food places that I've seen for a long time in an airport. So on the right is the duty-free area that we first saw. as we got through security. It's another coffee shop. Getting plenty of snacks. Nice things and lovely smell of coffees. And through here goes through to gate 18. So that is basically it for Krakow Departures. So I hope you've enjoyed this look at Krakow, Poland Departures. Hope it's been of use to you if you are departing from this airport. If it has been useful, if you enjoyed the video, please do give me a thumbs up like, as that will really help my channel, and please do consider subscribing. I've done various reviews of different airports around the world, and that list will only keep growing, so please do check those out. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.